YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm here with a quick tutorial. I'm going to put this bun on my head. This instant bun with bang, and the name of it is Carla. And I want to show you all how to put it on. If anybody has purchased this bun and bang, I purchased it from my local beauty supply store months ago, maybe last year or earlier in the year. And it's by Sensationnel. And sometimes I have a hard time getting that bang to act right. So today, hopefully on camera, it'll act right for me. I'm going to show you how to get that bang to lay and to act right. So I just have a spray bottle with some water. And I already, because yesterday I wore this bang already. And I already put some edge control on it. I'll show you the one I use. All the sample of this, I am Blessed Hand Superior Edges Extra Hold. And at first, I didn't know if it really was doing the job. But I tried it again yesterday. And it seemed to hold pretty well. I didn't see any of that white residue or anything. But since I only got it in a little small sample because I wanted to test it out. This is a 3.5 ounce. I think I got it for like $3. So I'm going to have to purchase some more on this site. The bigger one, I forgot how big it is. It might be 8 or 10 ounces and it's for $10. But since I didn't have enough of it, I also put a little bit of this as well. I like this, but if you put too much, it will turn white. But since I already put edge control on my hair yesterday, I'm going to try not to put a whole lot on it today, because that's what causes that white residue when you put too much edge control on. So I'm just going to brush my hair up into a high ponytail. Hope you all can see it. I just decided to come into my filming room since everything is already set up. I don't have to try to move camera and my light into the bathroom, but I prefer the bathroom. But that's all I'm doing, just brushing it up, making it as smooth as possible. And I'm going to use these. I know a lot of people say don't use them because they do pull out your hair, but this is what I have right now. And I really haven't tested out any other ones. And I like to put it pretty snug. So it feels like it's pretty smooth. Like I said, I just added water to my edges to activate that edge control again. And so far so good. Seems to be doing pretty good. So now I'm just going to take this hair and twist it. And make a little ball. My hair is doing pretty good on the breakage. I do still have short pieces, but I'm still working on it. But it is growing in, filling in nicely. And that's how my little bun looks. So now I'm going to get the bun and bang. And again, I said this one's is Carla by Sensation. And it does have 2 combs, one in the back, one in the front, and then the bang has one. So please excuse how it looks because I've been wearing it. And it has a drawstring as well. So I'm going to start with the one in the back, then the one in the front. And I really like this bang because you can kind of swoop it around if you want it to look messy like this. Or you can swoop it around, however. And then I take the drawstring and I pull it. Let's see. I pull it and I don't clip the bang down yet. And I take this and wrap it around. And tuck it under. Or you could use a bobby pin to hold it. So next, for this bang, because sometimes it gets to acting crazy, cray. And what I found yesterday, I had to kind of pull it down because it was way up here. But I pull it down, and I'm going to stick a bobby pin back here and back here to hold it in place. And I'm just using bobby pins. The other ones are the other ones are just called hair pins. These are called bobby pins. The straight ones. So I'm just gonna put one there, try to cover it up so nobody can't see it. And one over here. Okay, then I'm going to try to secure this in place. Okay, like I was saying before, I needed to delete some stuff off my camera. I put the two bobby pins here, then I clipped down the bang. So now I'm just going to style it. And with Carla, let's see, this is kind of how the bang goes, swoop to the side. So, but those bobby pins really help it stay in place, because I noticed when I was wearing it yesterday, the hair was kind of shifting. And people were looking at me like, what is that on her head? Because it was kind of shifting. You can kind of swoop the bun around like this. And sometimes, now these are the hair pins, the straight ones. Now sometimes I kind of try to make it smaller if I think it's like, ooh, I don't want it quite that high. And I'll stick some pins in it. And that's it. It worked the first time for me on camera, thank goodness. Because yesterday I struggled with styling this. And I said, well, I'm going to come on camera to help somebody else if they're having a problem with this particular bun and bang. Knowledge is power. I like to share. If I find a way to help others, I will. So I hope this was helpful to somebody, because I have looked on YouTube for this particular bun and bang, and I couldn't find it. Nobody really did a review or anything on it, and I was trying to figure out how to fix the bang. So I hope this was helpful to somebody if you decide to purchase it, or if you already have it and you're like, man, I don't care for this. Because at first I kind of didn't care for this bun and bang. I wanted to throw it away or give it away. But I said, no, keep it and just practice to see what you can do with it. So this is how it turned out, you guys. I love the bun and bang combos, as you all know and can see. I mean, I have so many. Some of them I purchased, I'm like, oh wow, this is too big because it's huge and it's fake. They kind of put that foam in and then they wrap the hair around it, so it's real big and huge. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't know about this one, but I really like this one. It has grown on me because at first I didn't like it. My husband picked it out for me. I liked the bun part at first, but it was just like, oh, I can't stand that bang with the bun. I might cut it off. I don't know. But he just chose the good one. He really did. So you just have to play around with it and fix it to your liking. Because the curls are not going anywhere. I don't know if you can flat iron it on low heat or not, because I've never tried it, but I think it really looks good. I may put a little bit of edge control. I'm going to use this one since I'm out of the other one, but I will order some more and do a review for you all on it. But at first I didn't like the edge control, because I was like, I don't know, it don't seem like it's laying down my edges like I like. And then I tried it again, so I liked it yesterday. So, and I try to get that little kitchen, as they used to say back here, little kinkerbugs. But that's all I do. I didn't bring a comb in here to kind of swoop them like I like them, but I'm going to use my brush. But I really like it. I am going to try my best, like I said in my last video. My nail video that I uploaded before this. That I'm going to try to do my best to come before you all and do more videos. More hair tutorials, more nails, a few toenail tutorials, and some other things. And every now and then I may do makeup or something like that, because I see y'all don't really, I don't know, some of y'all don't really look at it. I did decide to cancel my Ipsy, however you pronounce it, bag, because I was getting those products. I enjoyed getting them, but I just had so much and I wasn't using it fast enough. Because I am into makeup, but I don't always wear it every day. Sometimes I'll put it on during the week. Sometimes I just wear it on Sundays. It just depends on my mood. But mostly during the week, I'll do my eyebrows, fill them in, and I'll wear mascara or whatever. But I will take some pictures after I beat my face. Today is Sunday, June 30th, so I'm going to beat this face, girl. And I'll take some pictures so you can see how my beat looks, honey. So I thank you all for watching. So stay tuned and pass the word about my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you all. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed day. And stay tuned.